Good afternoon. Pronunciation with sharp. English phonetics. Ananas. The girl plays with the ball. The house is big. I have a red car. My dog is called Matthew. English is a universal language. My daughter's name is Sophia. I live in Queensland. The animals are very cute and tender. We went to the movies yesterday. I want a new phone. In my house there are 3 dogs and 2 chickens. I work the night shift today. One has a black motorcycle. Last week we went to Aunt Leah's farm. Thanks. But that's the green English.